Joe Watson, not your average Joe realtor here at 224 Turtle Pond Parkway in Hyde Park. Our newest listing coming on the market this week at $689,900. Right across the road is Stoney Brook Reservation. Hundreds of acres of forest lands, walking trails, perfect for taking your dogs on a hike, taking the kids for a hike. There's a splash park and a playground right down the street. And we have 3 beds, 2 baths, finished basement space that's awesome. Great fenced in backyard. We have an attached garage. This property is fantastic, totally renovated. Check it out.